has actually turned into an educational hub for students from countries like South Africa, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bangladesh. The subjects that attract them the most are music, arts, and literature. Many educational institutions developed in this city during the pre-independence era. These institutions are the quest of education and are rich in cultural studies. This nurture the students delicately and provide them the pleasure of learning, and inspired them to spread the ampleness of cultures of Kolkata in their own nation, which make its cultural heritage to reach every nooks and corners of the world.
Hello, I'm Trisha Sarkar and I'm from Sri Lanka.
আমার নাম বিশ্বজিৎ বাপ্পি, বাংলাদেশ থেকে এসেছি।
My name is Sujata Verma. I'm from Nepal, studying vocal music here.
I'm Kialan Anjali from South Africa.
Hello, I'm Vidura Chirantana from Sri Lanka.
This is Manish Chaudhary from Nepal. I'm Pia from Sri Lanka.
With whom do you stay?
I'm staying alone.
What is the reason behind coming to Kolkata for studies from your country?
Okay, actually, Indian music, growing up in a very cultural family, as my ancestors have come from India to South Africa as Brahmins, so culture was always in the family. So growing up with a very cultural and passion for music actually led to my choice of pursuing music as some sort of a passion or career.
Do you do your household works yourself?
Yeah, I need to do because I'm alone here and must do all. I need to wash my clothes all and I need to clean my room, everything.
Being from a different country, your fooding habit must be different. So, how far is the Indian food preferable to you?
Actually, although the fooding habit is different, the vegetables are the same, although the cooking method is different, so it's not that much of a problem to me. And also, I cook my food in Sri Lankan style, so it doesn't matter.
Do you get advantages for being international students from the government?
আমাকে প্রতি মাসে 10,500 দেওয়া হয়, 10,500 রুপি স্কলারশিপ হিসেবে। ওটাই থাকা খাওয়া পড়াশোনা।
Except the allowance that we are provided by the Indian government, the university does not provide us any special treatment.
The city seems to provide the international students a home-like atmosphere which is preferable for learning and sharpening their careers. These young people have discovered heady educational opportunities in the city. They come to this city to learn and share the profound treasure that it holds. Though they are away from their home, they do not feel the crisis because Kolkata is the city of joy, and the people in this city know the art of building the relationship of closeness. Do you think Kolkata is providing you a better education and a preferable atmosphere?
Yeah, actually I came to learn classical music, so for classical music, I think it has the best environment in whole India. So I'm actually loving it.
Would you like to get employed in Kolkata?
I would love to do that, but actually I want to spread classical music more in our Nepali scene as well. So I would like to. I mean, I won't mind doing that.
এরকম মনে করছি না, পড়াশোনা শেষে অবশ্যই দেশে ফিরবো, ওখানে গিয়ে চেষ্টা করবো কিছু একটা করার।
On the vast canvas, we can find a perfect picture of culture and values in a form of different hues and vibrancy. From the past several centuries, the city follows the same path of unity, support, and tolerance. A foreign student can find a beautiful balance between uniqueness and diversity on this land. They can feel a value of dedication in the citizens of this city. Do you face language problems in this city?
Puja because in this country, in this area, Bengali is used most, and some people know Hindi, but I don't know either language, so that is a problem because I can only use English and my native language Sinhala. And when I go shopping and when I go to the market, sometimes I face problems.
A cup of tea, please. How much? How much time you get for your self-study?
I get enough time because after college we have time to I can go home and practice for 3 or 4 hours, so I think that's enough time to practice.
What is your view on the society and the city's culture?
My view, it is all of my friends here are very friendly. Society is good, and the main thing is everybody know music, and wherever I go, like they are helping me.
Excuse me on my opinion on this. Some people seriously need to learn some manners because they don't behave well at all in public transport, in any place. Not everyone, some are good, but
আমার খুব ভালো লাগে যে এখানে কালচারাল দিক থেকে কলকাতা অনেক রিচ। এখানে সবাই সংস্কৃতি মনা এবং মানুষের ব্যবহার অত্যন্ত ভালো, সবাই অনেক আপন মনে হয়।
Culture is so beautiful actually. They have a rich culture. The culture in Kolkata is so rich. The festivals, the ceremonies, Durga Puja, and then other pujas, Diwali. Actually, this place is full of rich culture. I love it.
पारी त्यो डाँडामा हेर घाम लाग्यो घमाइलो लाग्यो मलाई रमाइलो तिमी र म घुम्न जाउँ न
अनि घामले मलाई सताउला, काली मलाई बोलाउला, विरतीको छाता ओढाउन।
खोला जस्तै बगौँ हामी पिरतीको तालैमा माछी मारौँ जालैमा हुन्छ कि नै